Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add link in WhatsApp status. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application and then go to the plus icon or go to updates right here just beside the chats icon. And here just tap on my status. Here just click a photo and then just click on the sticker icon right here. You can add any sticker from here, and you can also add write anything. And here all you need to do is just to give just paste the add link in WhatsApp, and then just paste the link and then just launch it. And there goes the status that I have shared in here with the link. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.